First fixture in the amateur division. Will they sink or swim in the season ahead? This then, how the home team is lining up. The sides are playing 3-4-3. Plenty in attack, but maybe lacking in defence. And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. The tackle's flying in already. That one has gone out of play. Nice play. Great patience here. The goalkeeper eases the pressure. The goalkeeper plays it to his teammate. What a ball. Has a crack. Oh, what a stunning goal there. He finds it back in the net with ease. That's a bit cynical, really. It's going to be a free kick. Good save by the goalkeeper. The replay will give us a closer look. And it's opened up here. Well, the fans thought he'd scored, but it's into the side netting. Goal kick. Perfectly executed. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Not the best effort there. Good distribution. What a well-timed tackle. Is this the moment? Oh, it's gone in. A fantastic goal. The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same. It's 2-0. It could be a chance here. Let's take another look at that. Played short by the keeper. Oh, that's well played. The shot's on. Great block by the defender. It's half time and a chance for managers to have their say. This league encounter resumes now as we kick off for the second half. Surely now gets in the way of the shot. Great chance here. He should do better there. Wide of the mark from the player. Let's take another look at it. Confident pass. They have the ball again. referee a decision to make here. That is a bad foul. Oh, he did really well there. The referee has to do something about it. That was a dreadful challenge. He scored a beautiful goal. You've got to admire skill like that. What a fantastic volleyed finish. Tactical change here then. Everyone's ready. Play restarts. It's a clear chance. What a goal. Fantastic stuff. And his teammates will join him to start the celebrations. Great goal there. Let's see what difference the change makes. Hugill. Oh, shocking challenge. Really well played. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Goalkeeper rolls it out. Finds his teammate. Poor tackle there. And the manager's making a change here. And the team swap possession again. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? That's good link-up play. Ooh, well intercepted. And we're entering stoppage time now. Ball's across the line, it's out of play. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Is this a goal? That's the final whistle. Great display of attacking football today.
The glass half empty in a house with a mirror in it. Tell me what you see, or tell me what you want to. I can fix it with a filter feeling. We're not really free. There's so much pressure weighing heavily, I'm barely breathing.